How's it going today, buddies? So I figured today I'd talk about this. This is the kingopt knife folder. I believe this is the mini. I think you can get them bigger, but it's kind of a cool design. I'll show you guys different colors in a little bit because it comes in like gold color, red color, I believe green as well. It's pretty small. It's pretty compact. It comes back with the clip, which I always really like. It opens up. It's a gentleman's folder, so it doesn't have any of those little points there where you could just kind of flick it open. No flick on, no like little button on the back where you could flip it up either. It comes out of the box really sharp. I do like the shape and the design of the blade, how it has that. I really do like that myself. The handle is really comfortable. It sits in your hand really well. Very light. This is the lightest folding knife I've ever held, and I guess because the handle has these kind of like holes in it and stuff like that. The lock, not a fan of. You just simply push down and fold that up. I don't know if you've seen that, but push down and it just folds. I'm not really a fan of those because those tend to like not really work. As you could just see right now, they tend to not really work and not really do too much. I like the other locks better myself, but it's still a really cool looking knife, still very usable. Blade length is pretty short, not too long. Well, it's a small knife too, right? But I do also like that you could kind of like just, well, you could fold that and then just kind of clip that onto like, you know, your belt buckle loop or whatever. You could kind of put that even on a keychain, make it into like a keychain type knife. It is really light. It's pretty much like holding air. Opening it up is really easy. I do like the point on that. It's a really cool knife, and I would recommend this to anybody who wants a small little really light knife. Plus they're fun to play with. They're kind of cool to look at. I like it. The lighting in here is kind of off, so it doesn't really show kind of how cool that blue is. It's like a dark sparkly type blue. The blades are obviously coated. I know a lot of people like the coating. I know a lot of people don't like the coating. If you don't like the coating, you could simply just take off the coating and then just have it regular, but I personally like the way that the coatings look on these things. I know that they don't usually last too long before they start coming off and whatnot, but I personally just like how the blade of the coatings, blades with the coatings look. It's kind of how the knife looks closed, looks kind of neat. You can kind of just see the blade in there. Pretty cool. All in all, it seems like it's a good blade. Nice knife. It's always good to have small knives just for like opening those packages or really that, you know, stripping wires or any of that secondary type blade work that you need to be done. It's always good to have a good knife to have, and this is it. Really good knife, really easy construction. One rivet there, one there, nothing really, or one bolt there, not really too much to it. But plus I think they're really relatively inexpensive. They're fun to just kind of like spin around with and just, you know, play with, stuff like that. I really like them. I definitely, the green's my favorite colored one, but like I said, you can get them in various type colors. I know I said I'll show you those colors, but I think I'll wait for another video to show you them because they're all the way over there and I have to go open up their packages and stuff. But actually, fuck it, I'll be right back. This is, I don't know if you could really see that, but that's kind of like a gold type color. It's probably coming up as orange on that one. This one's more stiff. As you can tell, I'm trying to close it without the lock, but this one you actually have to put the lock back on. I guess that one needs to be tightened up more, probably just because playing with it and stuff like that. But yeah, this is, you could tell they're the exact same thing, just the colors are a little different. They're both the exact same weight. That one just needs to be tightened up a little bit more. But there you have it. It comes in different colors, which make them really neat and really cool. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them to anybody and everybody that wants a small. It's a good small secondary blade. I would definitely recommend this type blade for like any campers out there, people who go camping a lot, people who do, you know, fishing, hikers, climbers. This would be a really good knife for those type of people out there. But I definitely recommend that you go check it out. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know I love you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.